Hi, in this short tutorial, I will review how to solve question number 3 from chapter 2 using Excel. On the screen, you see Excel spreadsheet containing the original frequency table, which is highlighted in yellow. So we have number of miles to respectively 2, 3, 5, and 8, and number of people traveling that corresponding miles from home to work every day. And we would like to know what's the mean distance from home to work, what's the sample variance, and what's the standard deviation. So in order to find out those quantities, first useful step would be to determine how many observations we have in the sample. So what we do is we create a function, we sum up all the frequencies, and we select the frequency series, and we get 25. So there are 25 people participating in the sample. So to find out the mean, we need a weighted average of each observation. So we useful Excel function, which I rely on in this calculation, is sum product, and I'm selecting two series, so miles and frequency. So it will do 2 times 7 plus 3 times 8 plus 5 times 6, 8 times 4, and it sums up that quantity. And to calculate mean, I will divide that sum product by the number of observations, which is cell F3. Okay, that should give us the mean. Now, to calculate the sample variance, I will rely on the same Excel functionality, but first I calculate the square deviations. Okay, so what is square deviation? So it indicates the square of the distance from 2 to mean, and I will do that same for every observation. So 3 minus 4 squared is 1, 5 minus 4 squared is 1, 8 minus 4 squared is 16. Okay, so for sample variance calculation, I'm weighting now squared deviations and summing that across all observations. And I get 4.42. To determine the sample standard deviation, I will take out square root from that quantity. I think that concludes the tutorial about question number 3 from chapter 2. Thank you for your attention.